Hi, this is Mark with At My Home at CES. I'm here with David in the Blink booth, and he's going to show us about their new video doorbell.
Yep. Thanks for stopping by the booth. Today we're really excited to show off our new Blink video doorbell. We're really excited about it. Our customers have been asking for it, and now we're ready to show it. It'll be available in the next few months. So, quick rundown of what it is and why it's different than what you'll see in the market. So, like our security cameras, they are an HD video camera that has a motion detector. So if someone moves in front of the doorbell, our camera will turn on and record a 5 to 60 second clip and give you an alert that something's happening, and you can go to live view. Like most of the other market, it's a doorbell too. You press the button, it's going to send you an alert that someone's at the door. You can open up live view and you can have a two-way conversation with them as if you're there. So those are all great features, great value, and what you'll find in the market quite frequently. But there's two things that really set our video doorbell aside from what you'll find in the marketplace. The first thing, and not the least of which, is the price. So just like our existing Blink XT and Blink camera, it is a no contract, no service model, which means that 24 hours later you'll still have the video clip that it took. We're not going to restrict that. You can have your clips for up to a year because it takes small clips, 5 to 60 seconds. The second thing is the price of the camera itself. It's $99 for existing customers. And if you want a system, which is a Blink Hub plus the video doorbell, that's going to run you $129. So between those two things, that's an unbeatable price for a video doorbell and a great value. The second thing that's most important to think about is, as we started to develop the product, what we realized in the market is that it's not easy potentially to install these. Do I need an installer is a frequent question. So we focus on simplicity of everything we do, and the camera, like everything else, will take you less than 5 minutes to install. Because all you're really going to do is, if I could take this off, you're going to take the 2 AA batteries, put it in the camera, you're going to add it to your Blink system, and you're going to stick it on the wall, and that's it, you're done. It's kind of like the old infomercials, just set it and forget it, or something like that. But so those two things, the 5-minute install and the price, make this Blink video doorbell an incredible value. Not to mention the fact, I don't think I focused enough on the fact that it runs on 2 AA batteries for 2 years. You can optionally connect it to the wiring of the house, and when you press the button, if you have an existing chime, it'll set the chime off. So those are the things that, if I were to say what's different, it's the price and the ease of installation that'll make this a killer product in the market.
And do you, if you hook it up to the doorbell wire, does that charge the batteries?
It will extend the battery life. You have to have the batteries. That's part of the operation. But if you have power running through the wires, it will extend the battery life. We are working on that system as well.
And, you know, I understand that you guys are now part of Amazon. Is that correct?
That is correct. We're all really excited about that.
Yeah, it seems like it gives you a broader product line now.
Well, we'll see. I mean, it's so new. We made that announcement a few weeks ago, so we're all really excited. And but you know, again, it's right before the show.
So, and this is available today?
No, this is in the next few months. This will be available.
In a few months.
Yep. So you'll keep an eye on blinkforhome.com and Amazon.com.
Well, and atmyhome.com, because we'll probably say something when you come out.
Exactly. So. Yeah. And yeah, exactly right. Keep on all the major sources. We'll have it.
That's fantastic.
Awesome.
All right. Well, David, thank you so much.
Thank you.
This is Mark with atmyhome.com.